The biggest complaint about GLP-1 drugs is not the nausea. It is the muscle loss. Up to 40% of the weight lost on semaglutide is lean mass, not fat. Less muscle means lower metabolism, weaker bones, and a harder time keeping the weight off. Bimagrumab might change that. Bimagrumab is an antibody developed by Novartis. It blocks activin type 2 receptors. Activin is a protein that limits muscle growth. When you block it, muscle grows. The drug was originally studied for muscular dystrophy and sarcopenia. Then researchers asked a simple question. What if you pair it with a GLP-1? A phase 2 trial published in Nature Medicine in 2026 tested bimagrumab plus semaglutide against either drug alone in adults with obesity and type 2 diabetes. The combination group lost significantly more fat mass than the semaglutide alone group. They also preserved lean mass. Not just less muscle loss. Actual muscle gain in some participants, while losing fat. The numbers. The combination group lost about 21% body weight, with nearly all of it being fat mass. The semaglutide alone group lost about 15%, with a higher proportion of lean mass loss. The difference in body composition was the headline. Side effects. Bimagrumab is an infusion, not an injection. That is a logistical hurdle. It also carries a risk of pancreatitis in rare cases. The muscle growth effect can theoretically stress the heart in patients with cardiac conditions. Long-term safety data is limited. Eli Lilly, which licensed bimagrumab from Novartis, cancelled one of 2 phase 2 trials in 2025 citing strategic business reasons. The other trial continues. The drug is years from approval, if it gets there at all. But the concept is proven. Muscle-preserving obesity drugs are coming. Bimagrumab is just the first signal. Talk with your clinician before making any medication changes. For plain language GLP-1 updates, visit the GLPSpot.com.